In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Revolut Business. We'll walk through the full sign-up flow together so you know exactly what to expect and what details to have ready. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Revolut Business. Click through to the official Revolut site and look for the option to create an account. Once you're there, you'll be asked to choose your country. Make sure Revolut Business supports your location. If it isn't supported, you won't be able to proceed, so double check the list on the page. Click Continue, then select your legal business type. This typically includes options like a limited company, sole trader, partnership, or other structures. Pick the one that matches how your business is registered. Hit Continue to move on. Enter your email address and continue. Revolut will send you a sign-in link or prompt to authorize your login. Head to your email inbox and approve that login request. If you don't see it, check your spam or promotions folder. Next, enter your phone number. Choose the correct country code so the verification text reaches you, then continue. Input the verification code you receive by SMS. Create a secure password and continue. Use a strong, unique password and keep it somewhere safe. You'll then be asked for your date of birth. This is required as part of financial services compliance. Continue and enter your residential address. Use your actual place of residence as it may be cross-checked during verification. Now search for your business's legal name and continue. You'll be prompted for business details, including the full legal name, your company registration number, and the date of incorporation. If you're in the UK, that registration number comes from the official company register. Enter these exactly as they appear on your registry documents, then continue. Add your business address, including city and postcode, and continue. You'll then be guided to verify your identity. Click Continue, choose the type of ID you want to use, and follow the prompts. When you're ready, start the video recording. Ensure you're in a well-lit area, your camera is steady, and your ID is clearly visible. Follow any on-screen instructions like turning your head or reading a short phrase to help confirm liveness. After you complete verification, your account will be reviewed. Once approved, you'll land on your Revolut Business dashboard, where you can begin managing your business finances. That's the full process from search to setup. Simple, secure, and ready for your next steps.